Hey, you have a package.
Thank you, baby. Alright. Thank you.
Welcome.
Stiltbeast Studios! Let's open this bad boy. Alright. I wish all the UPS guys looked like she did. Perfect timing. Alright, let's bring the camera in. Let's see what we got. Alright, so as you guys know, Transworld was canceled because of this coronavirus stuff. So all our vendors for Halloween, for blood, for props, for everything, are all kind of suffering right now. This is from Stiltbeast. This is from Alan. If you guys don't know who Stiltbeast Studios is and you're watching the YouTubes and you have no idea who he is, then obviously you've had brain damage at some point in your life. So get on the YouTubes, go find Alan at Stiltbeast Studios, and subscribe to him and watch. It's like Monster College. He doesn't hide anything. He shows everything. He answers questions about what he's doing. He answers questions about people's projects. He'll answer anything. He's a straight up, open, honest guy. He hides nothing. He's talented as hell. He can work in a million mediums and clay and latex and everything. So he made his own sculpt inspired by the Gill Man, which I'm a huge Creature of the Black Lagoon fan. I love Creature from the Black Lagoon. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it. I'm not much of a mask guy, but because I wear glasses, so I never really put a mask on. But I am a prop guy. So let's see what he sent. Uh-oh. Signature Stiltbeast green, people. Check that out. Oh, man, that's so freaking cool. Ooh, even smells like paint. I love it. Look at that, people. Look how beautiful that guy is. Oh, man. See, I love Creature from the Black Lagoon. In fact, Alan painted this live, so I will go and find the live stream he painted this on and link this down below. If you want to see this guy, get the paint on him. Like I said, I'm not a mask guy, but I had Alan go ahead and put a pipe through his head for me, so he's foamed in. Because most of my heads and stuff are on spears next to my Swamp Witch. So, oh, he didn't. Guys, look at this, man. What a class act Alan is. He even sent me my own Stiltbeast Studios apron. How freaking cool is he, man? We gotta check this bad boy out. Usually you only get these at Monster Camp or if you buy them at the Transworld show. Look how freaking awesome that is, man. Alan, you are the freaking man. You guys have immediately got to go find him and start watching his live streams. You're going to learn a ton. If you're remotely inclined to do clay or make monsters or you paint, in any medium you work in, you will learn something from Alan, so go see him. Look at him. Look how cool he is, man. He's got iridescent paint. And like I told Alan, I'm going to put him under a yellow LED light, which is where my Swamp Witch is at. He's going to go on a spear. So let's take a look at him under the right conditions. Let me kill the lights, put the light on, and then we'll see what he looks like under yellow LED. Alright, got the camera moved up. He's under LED. Check him out. Well, you can see all the iridescence in his scales just on the tips. That's just freaking beautiful, man. Look how awesome he is. Look how that yellow light just hits him. That is so freaking cool, man. Alan, I'm amazed at your work. This guy is awesome. Look at all his scales. Man, he's got a good weight to him, too. Look how freaking awesome he is, man. You guys have got to get you some Stiltbeast Studios in your life. Hey, let's go stick him on a spear. Yeah, let's put the Swamp Witch out. Let's get him in the yard and hook him up for Halloween. Alright, what do you guys think? This is my Swamp Witch. Here's the sea creature Gill Man. Well, it's windy as hell here in Indiana today. It was 80 degrees yesterday. It's 40 degrees today. So, we won't be out here long. But look how freaking cool that is. Alan, you did a killer job, man. I'm so happy to own an original piece of yours. I promise it's in a good home. I'll take care of it. Look how beautiful. So the camera don't go over. I just love it. You killed it, man. What a great sculpt. What a great guy. He's gonna make my haunt 10 times better. I can't wait to foam him in place. I'm just thrilled. If you guys haven't, if you guys aren't watching or subscribed to Stiltbeast Studios on YouTube, you guys are missing out, man. Go find Alan. He does a lot of live streams. You'll learn a ton. Like I said, I'll put the links below, but this is my fish man. Thank you, Alan. You're top shelf, man. I love you, brother. That's just awesome. Alright guys, I'll give you the close-up. Here she is. That's my swamp witch. Yay, the sun's out. And that's my gill, man. Thank you, Alan. You guys, go get yourselves some Stiltbeast. Thanks for watching.